Good day everyone, I am Maria Jane Lusanama, and in this presentation, I will analyze the two major threats to coral reef ecosystem, one direct threat and one indirect threat. This example will help us understand how different stressors affect reef biodiversity and human communities that depend on them. For the direct threat, I choose crown of thorn starfish outbreaks. For the indirect threat, I choose nutrient and nitrogen pollution. Both cases are supported by credible scientific studies and government reports. The direct threat, which is the crown of thorn starfish. The crown of thorn starfish or acanthaster is a coral-eating predator. During outbreaks, their population explode and they can consume vast area of live coral within months. This is considered a direct threat because the starfish physically destroyed coral tissue, unlike environmental stressors that act indirectly. Effect on reef health and services. Rapid reduction of live coral cover weakens reef structure, reducing habitat for fish. Tourism and recreational diving suffer where reefs appear damaged. Over time, less coral means weaker coastal protection and lower biodiversity support. Human activities driving the threat. While outbreaks can occur naturally, human action may intensify them, increase nutrient runoff from agriculture may boost larval survival, and overfishing of starfish predators like the giant trion snail reduces natural controls. Consequences of this is that the Great Barrier Reef has experienced multiple outbreaks where coral cover dropped drastically, causing losses in reef fish population and millions of dollars in tourism revenue. The second case is an indirect threat, nutrient and nitrogen pollution. This occurs when fertilizer, untreated sewage, and urban runoff enter coastal waters and reach coral reef. Why it's indirect? The source of stress originates on land and its effects are mediated through changes in water chemistry and ecology rather than direct predation or heat. Effect on reef health and services. Nutrient promote algal growth and competes with coral for light and space. Nitrogen disrupts reef classifications, slowing reef growth. Studies show that nitrogen pollution worsens coral bleaching during heat stress. Ecosystem services, fisheries, shoreline protection, and tourism all decline when reefs become algal dominated. Human activities causing the threat. Agricultural practices with heavy fertilizer use, untreated wastewater, and poorly managed urban development are the main drivers. The consequences of this is the ecologically nutrient polluted reef recover more slowly after bleaching. Socioeconomically, fish catches decline, water treatment costs rise, and tourism income is lost when reefs are visibly degraded. Now, let's compare these two threats. The impact of crown of thorn starfish are acute and often localized during outbreaks, but the damage can spread regionally. Severity is high because coral cover can collapse quickly. The impact of the nutrient pollution are chronic and widespread, often acting continuously over years. Severity is magnified when combined with other stressors such as ocean warning. On biodiversity, both reduces cover corals, but nutrient also lower recovery potential. On the human communities, both reduces fisheries and tourism value, but the nutrient pollution additionally increase long-term causes of water management and reduces reef resilience to climate change. Solution must combine local and policy level action. For the crown of thorns starfish, the community level must local divers and fisheries can join removal program and monitor outbreaks. The policy level, which is the government, should fund, coordinate, or cuts control program and protect natural predator through fisheries regulation. For nutrient pollution, community level, farmers can adopt precision fertilizer used in restore vegetation buffers along waterways. The community can also upgrade sanitation. Policy level, which is stricter wastewater treatment standards, watershed nutrient targets, and integrated land sea management plans and are crucial. Both threats require proactive monitoring, adequate funding, and importantly, must be paired with global action on climate change, which intensify reef vulnerability. In conclusion, coral reefs face multiple pressures that interact and compound each other. The crown of thorns starfish showed how a biological outbreaks can devastate reef rapidly, while the nutrient pollution demonstrate how chronic land-based stressor weaken of people relying on reef for food, job, coastal protection, and cultural heritage. Protecting reef require both local stewardship and broader policy frameworks. By reducing direct pressures and managing indirect ones, we give coral reef the best chance to survive climate change. Thank you for listening.
The crown of thorns starfish is a stunning yet dangerous inhabitant of coral reefs, known for its vibrant colors and lethal spines. With its numerous arms covered in venomous spikes, it poses a significant threat to coral ecosystems. This starfish feeds on coral by extruding its stomach, digesting the polyps externally. While this feeding behavior is natural, population explosions can devastate reefs, leading to destruction of marine biodiversity. Natural predators, like the giant Triton snail, help control its numbers, but human impact often disrupts this balance. Protecting coral habitats and maintaining predator populations is crucial for preserving these delicate ecosystems affected by this beautiful predator.
Coral reefs are dying, and time's running out. Rising temps, pollution, and overfishing are destroying these underwater rainforests. Without coral, the ocean's ecosystem will collapse. But we can save them. Stop destroying coral. Avoid dumping trash in the ocean, and dispose of trash properly. Every action matters. Protect sea turtles, fish, and our oceans. The ocean's pulse is fading. It's time to act. Join the fight. Save the reefs.